This upgraded pulsed water-cooled laser cleaning machine from MRJ-Laser features a completely redesigned appearance, offering enhanced durability and improved operational safety. The device is compatible with 300 watt, 500 watt, 1000 watt, and 2000 watt pulse lasers, enabling you to meet diverse cleaning requirements. Equipped with a screen protection cover, it safeguards the display from damage and prevents accidental touches. The machine also features a newly upgraded 3-color indicator light strip, which enhances visual appeal and allows operators and nearby personnel to easily monitor the machine status. Green light indicates the laser is powered on. Orange light signals that cleaning is in progress. With simple and intuitive professional cleaning programs and a variety of cleaning modes, the machine efficiently handles cleaning tasks on various materials, including removing coatings from metal surfaces, stripping paint from wooden furniture, cleaning oil and grease from automotive parts, erasing graffiti from walls, eliminating rust from metal surfaces, special materials such as graphite explore even more applications tailored to your needs.